Hi, it's Teresa here. Welcome to my Magic of Makarasana 10-minute guided relaxation. So let's begin. Make sure you are in a place where you will not be disturbed. Take yourself down onto the floor, lying on your front. Place one hand on top of the other with your elbows extended to the side and gently place your forehead on your hands. Relax through your shoulders, through your hips. Take your legs apart and turn your heels in and your toes outward if this is comfortable. And now we'll take our awareness to your breath. So take a nice deep breath in, and as you breathe out, just feel yourself relaxing into the floor, letting go everything that has gone before this moment. So just keep this awareness on your breath. So notice the breath as it comes in through your nose or your mouth, travels down through the center of your body into the area of your diaphragm, solar plexus. And then as you breathe out, you feel a gentle pressure relieving from the diaphragm. The air travels back up and out through your nose or your mouth. So just allow yourself to take nice, slow, deep breaths, breathing into your diaphragm. And as you breathe out, let there be a feeling of letting go. And just come into an awareness of your body. And find a rhythm and depth of breathing that is just right for you today. So as you breathe out, feel your body relax into the floor. As you breathe in a beautiful peace, a deep sense of relaxation. As you breathe out, feel like you are releasing anything that you no longer need. You are letting go. As you breathe in, there's a feeling of opening and expanding. And just allow your body to begin to sink deeply into the floor. Allow your shoulders to relax, and especially between your shoulder blades, so that your chest starts to open gently. Relax through the solar plexus, back of your ribs. Breathing easily, peacefully. Feel the relaxation flow across your hips, allowing a release in your lower back. Allow your legs to relax into the floor. Knees are relaxed, feet and ankles are letting go. And just let your mind, your awareness focus gently on your breath. Breathing through your nose if this is comfortable. Just keep a gentle focus on your breath. If your mind becomes distracted, just come back to this focus on the breath. Come back with loving kindness. And just let this connection with your breath take you into a deep inner stillness. Into connection with a place inside where you feel calm. You feel clear and strong. Give yourself permission to let go of anything that you feel needs to go. If emotions arise, just flow with them and let them go. If thoughts become stronger and insistent, just release them and let them go. Come back to the focus on your breath and rest in this place of deep peace and healing. Continue to breathe deeply into your belly, relaxing down into the floor with each out-breath. And allow Makarasana to work its magic. Bringing all aspects of you into a beautiful balance. Profound healing and a restoration of peace and harmony through your whole being. So that you will emerge feeling strong, clear, calm. And just allow yourself to relax deeper than you ever have done before. Keep a gentle focus on your breath. And just feel the connection of the earth underneath the building in which you are. Feel the energy centers throughout your body aligned perfectly so that your vitality flows. Feel your heart open. Feel it come into a beautiful synergy and connection with your mind. And just rest and be nourished. And now very gently take a nice deep breath in. And just start to come into an awareness of your physical body. Release the focus on the breath. Bring your feet together and just stretch your arms overhead. And then rolling gently over onto your right hand side, just supporting your head as you rest here for a few moments. And then coming up to sitting gently, feeling deeply rested, healed and restored. Namaste.